Anytime a problem is asking you to compare fractions or order a list of fractions from greatest to least or least to greatest, you're going to want to find the LCM, the least common multiple, for just the denominators. So here, if they had the same denominator, it would be easy to see which top part was bigger or smaller. However, we have 3 and 8. They're not the same, therefore I want to find the least common multiple that they share so I can change the denominators to make them the same. So this time when we make a list of multiples, the first number is always itself, because 3 times 1 would be 3, times 2 would be 6, and then we have 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and you can keep going on as long as you want, or just until they feel like they're ready, and if they need more, they can always add more later. Same for here, starting with 8 times 1, times 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll go ahead and stop there. This time, different from GCF, which is looking for the greatest, this time it's looking for the least for multiples. So I'm going to start on this side. They both don't share 3. They both don't share 6. They both don't share 8. They both don't share 9. They both don't share 12. They both don't share 15. They both don't share 16. They both don't share 18, 21. They do both share 24. So again, looking for the least common multiple for these ones when we compare and order fractions. So going back to what our fractions are, we have 2/3 and we have 5/8. So this time when we're looking just at the denominators, we want to make them the same so it's easy to compare them. So now we want our denominators to change to the LCM, which we found was 24. So now we want to look at how we changed to get 24. How did I get from 3 to 24? What did we multiply? We multiplied here by 8, and what we do to the bottom, we also have to do to the top. So we also now have to do 2 times 8, which gives us 16. For 8 down here, 8 times 3 is what gives us 24. What we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top up here. So 5 times 3 would give us 15. So now looking at the problem again, which was 2/3, comparing with 5/8, is really looking at 16 over 24 versus 15 over 24. So now that they have the same number, we can easily just look at the tops. We know 16 is bigger than 15, therefore 2/3 is going to be greater than 5/8.